Hey Stephane, can I trust you to look after my dog Daniel? Sure, Abigail. I'll make sure to look after him. Thank you. And Daniel, be a good boy for Stephane, okay? Good boy. I love you, Daniel. Bruh, I hate Abigail's dog. Why? Because he attacked me and Kelly a while ago, and it was very mean. I wish I can do something to Abigail's dog. Wait, that gives me a great idea. I'm going to poison Abigail's dog by giving him some of my chocolate. Ha 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 ha. This is revenge for attacking me and Kelly in one of the JG the Animator 05 videos. Hey Daniel. Look what I've got. It's a chocolate bar. Do you want some chocolate? Okay, here you go. Yeah. Take that Daniel, you stupid dog. I'm back Stephane, how was? Abigail, I am sorry, I can explain. Why? My dog is dead.
Abigail, what's the matter? Oh. My God. Abigail, Daniel's not dead, is he?
Yes he is, Mom, and he smells like chocolate. Wait a minute, Stephane, I can smell chocolate on you as well. You didn't give him chocolate, did you? Tell me the truth. Yes, I did. I gave your dog chocolate, because I was trying to get my revenge after he attacked me and Kelly a few weeks ago on a JG the Animator 05 video. Please don't get angry at me, I'm really sorry.
Oh my God. How could you feed our dog chocolate? You know dogs can't eat chocolate, because they will die.
You heard
Get out
my
of our
husband.
house.
Get out.
Yeah, and don't ever come back here, you dog killer. Get out of here, right now. What? I am sorry Daniel, I don't know why Stephane would do this to you.
Abigail, I'm really sorry this had to happen.
Daniel, you were one of my best friends in the whole wide world. You were a great doggy, and everyone who wasn't a troublemaker loved you very, very much. What? I'm going to miss you so much Daniel. I'll always remember you. On the day Mom and Dad brought you to the world, I'm now gonna give you these flowers. Daniel, you will always be in my heart. I love you so much, my sweet little doggy. I miss my doggy so much. Oh Daniel, you were a good friend.
Abigail. I heard about what happened to your dog. I am sorry about Daniel.
Thank you, sweet sage. Daniel really loved you too. This was all Stephane's fault.
I already know about that. Don't worry Abigail, Daniel will get his revenge for what Stephane did.
Yeah, indeed. What?
Stephane, this has got to be one of the worst things you've ever done in your life. How dare you give Abigail's dog chocolate? Now thanks to you, he's now dead, and Abigail's life will never be the same again. Why would you do this? Why?
Because Mom and Dad, he was attacking me and Kelly for being mean to Sage and Abigail. I'm really sorry.
No. Don't you dare say you're sorry. What you did was unforgivable. This could possibly be one of the worst things you've done in the JG world. You were grounded for a very, very long time. Get upstairs to your room, because we don't even want to look at you right now. Go.
Wow.
Thanks for watching. See you next time for another video.
Wait, before this video ends, we need to make a rest in peace scene for my dog Daniel.
Here it is.